Hello and welcome to the SASspurilla corporate app training. To access the SASspurilla corporate app and to also edit and add stylists, you'll go to appnotch.com, appnotch.com. You'll go to login where you'll enter your email address of sle@sasspurilla.com and then your password. If you don't have your password, you can click on Forgot Password and that'll take you to an email that'll be sent out actually to sle@sasspurilla.com with your ability to change and reset your password. Once you log in, you'll come to your dashboard, which will be the SASspurilla app dashboard. You can see that it's live in both the Apple and the Google Play Store. You'll be able to edit the app menu on the mobile app of the corporate app. I believe it's all set and ready, but you do have the ability to edit. You can send a push notification globally to your entire group. I'm going to click on that push button, and again, it's a global push that goes to everyone that has downloaded the corporate app and everyone that has downloaded each of the individual stylus app. You put title, you'll put a message, maybe direction for a new product offering. Then you can also put the website address, maybe it's the URL of one of the new items or promotional items that you have. Then simply hit send, and that message would go out to everyone that has downloaded any of the apps at all levels. You can close that out. So that's how you do a push. You can go to share and promote, and this is how you can get your links to your mobile app by having us email your app, text your app. We encourage you to put your app links on your social media. You can follow along with any of the publications and tips that AppNotch has, as well as QR codes, attaching the app links to your emails, and then we just went over push notifications. So here's a couple ideas of how to promote your app. I'm going to go back to the dashboard. And now what we're going to do is go to the dashboard where we can look at how to start editing and adding stylists by going to the tenant button. I'm just going to click on the tenant button. And as you can see, this is the app for each individual stylist. So let's say I'm going to go to Catherine Murphy, that we created an app for her. I'm going to go in and edit her app by clicking on her edit button. And this is going to allow me to edit the app menu at the bottom of her mobile app. As you can see, we changed the phone number from the default corporate number to her number by simply clicking on edit, changing the number, and hitting apply changes. We did the same thing with the shop button, where we set this up as a web link previously on the home corporate app, so it defaults to a web page. But you can see the other options of emails, Facebook, Twitters, cameras. We already have the icon that we like and shop, so all I need to do is go to the particular stylist shopping page, and I'm just going to cut and paste this site and this URL address and this link over to the shopping link for that particular stylist. As you can see that we've already done that, where it's this particular stylist number 105, and hit apply changes. The same thing on the Facebook. I can come in and edit the Facebook. It's already set up for Facebook with the icon and the name. I just simply need to delete this URL and put in the URL of the particular stylist, hit apply changes. If for any reason we got the name wrong or the stylist wants to change the name, what we can do is go to step 3 within the edit feature of the stylist. Just retype the name. Maybe they have a different nickname, Catherine Murphy. I'll go down, hit apply changes, and then I'll just go back to the tenant list. So now I've edited Catherine Murphy's app, and we're all set. Now, if we were going to set up a user, so now that, for example, we'll use Linda Welsh's account. Let's say we were setting her up for the first time. What we would do is go to the user list. So after we've created the mobile app and we've edited the mobile app, we'll go to the user list to send her information. Just backing up one step, to create a new app, you'll go to create the new tenant. You'll then click on the tenant's name and just type in, for example, Catherine Murphy. Put in Catherine Murphy and then her mySASspurilla.com/105. Put in her individual replicated website and hit create. Now that it was created, I would then go to the edit button to make sure the phone numbers and the Facebook and the shopping page was correct. Then what we do, just for example, is then I would set up a user list so that I'm going to send an email to Linda and give her access to the account. So I'd set up and click on user list. And in this case, we set up Linda previously, and then we also set up myself. So when you set that up, you just go add new admin, put in the email of, as you saw, we put in Linda's email, gave her a password of Linda999 or an example like that, and then put in her full name. Once that's accomplished, you hit create, and once you hit create, it'll then send out an email that looks like this. Congratulations, here's your Linda Welsh mobile app. If she clicks on Linda Welsh from her mobile phone, it'll pop up the mobile app and she can download that. And this is her official link of her mobile app that she could share with others. We have a couple tips on where and how to post and to promote the mobile app. But also then we have Linda's account. This is her back office inside of AppNotch, where this I've given myself administrative capabilities of this, where basically I can go into this login, put in the username, put in the password that we sent to Linda, and she would be able to access her back office. All this has been seen in a previous webinar, but that gives Linda the ability to send her own push notification, edit her own site, as well as share an app with her from her back office as well. From this back office, now I can resend the invitation. For example, if Linda didn't get the email, I can resend it. But also, I can give access. So if I wanted to click on Edit Access, right now we're giving all the stylists the ability to access the configure page, which is the edit page, so that each stylist can go in and edit their own mobile app. We also have given them access to push notification so that each stylist can do a push notification for their particular mobile app. I hope this helps in the setup of each individual app, as well as each individual tenant app, and how to then send them information on how to download their app by sending them and making them a part of the user list. If you have any questions, please call me, John, at 314-753-7740. Thank you.